Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn about if control structure in C. If statement. If is a single branch decision making statement in a programming. Sometimes we need to skip certain part of the code. That means or sometimes we want to execute certain part of the code if certain condition is met. If this condition is occur, then and only then we execute that part of the code. Otherwise, we skip it. In that situation, we use if control statement. The statements under if loop get executed only when the condition given is true. If condition is not true, that means false, that part of the code will be skipped. If keyword is used for if statement, syntax is given like this. If in round bracket condition is given, if this condition is true, then and only then the statement enclosed within this open and close curly brackets get executed. Otherwise, this part of the code will not get executed if condition is false. So here in flowchart, it can be given like this. If flowchart, if this condition is false, it will skip this code. It program will come from like this. Program flow will go like this. If condition is true, then and only then program flow will go through this part of the code. That means this part of the code will get executed. Here, let's say a small program to print to enter a number and check it if it is zero. If it is zero, it will print. So we'll start the program. Program first statement of the program as usual. It is header file hash include stdio.h and then void main. The code will go under this one. So in void main I declare integer n and then using printf statement I'll ask to enter a number. So this message will be printed when you run the program and using scanf %d hash and n, this will read a number. Now enter number using if statement. I'll check enter number is 0 or not. So for that, if keyword and in parenthesis I'll write statement if n equal 0. So that means this will check this condition. If it is true, then this part of the code will get executed. That is code under if loop get executed. So here I just wanted to print the message. So printf enter number is 0. So if this condition is true, then and only then this print enter number is 0 will be displayed. Otherwise, this part of the code will be skipped. So here it is output. So when I run this program, it will ask you to enter a number. So I entered 0. So I'll get output like this, enter number is 0. So same message will be printed if I enter 0. Suppose I run it again and I enter a number 8. So it will not display anything because this part of the code will be skipped. Now we will write program to enter a number and check whether it is positive and negative. So we will make little modification in previous program only. So these are the same common statement from the previous program, header file, void main and uh, integer n is declared, printf scanf. Now the enter number is checked with the if condition. If n greater than equal to 0, if it is true, that means number is positive. So under this, I'll write printf statement number is positive. If number is less than 0, that means it is negative. So this part will not get executed. So check negative number. I write one more if statement. If n less than 0, then number is negative. So I'll write printf number is negative. If number is positive, this second loop if is not yet execute. So output is when I enter number 2, so message will be displayed number is positive. If I run this program again, then second if part get execute and when I enter -2, number is negative, message will be displayed. Let's write one more program to enter a number and check whether it is odd or even number. So again, it is the same from the previous program. These many parts, initial 4 5 lines are same. Now, after entering number, we'll check whether it is positive, sorry, it is even or odd. To check if it is even or odd, we use modulus operator. Modulus means if I enter 10, 10 mod 2. So modulus operation is nothing but 10 divided by 2, and it will check what is remainder. If it is remainder is 0, that means number is even number, right? So if n mod 2, so it will check remainder, what is the remainder. If it is equal to 0, that means number is even number. So message will be displayed. So I write message printf number is even. Now if it is not even, so I'll check another loop if mod n mod 2 or n% 2 not equal to 0. This is not equal to sign. Not equal to 0. So that means remainder is something there up other than 0. So message will be displayed number is odd number, right? So here if number is even, then only the part statement under first loop get executed. So output for this, when I enter a even number, the statement under even if get executed, that is number is even. If I run it again, then and now I enter odd number, for example 23. So it will display message, that is the message under second if get displayed, that is number is odd. So try this program, these three small programs on your computer and check the output. Thank you.